Hello and welcome back. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, oh my goodness, we're excited. Kaylee Ellen launched the rare plant shop, and of course, as her arguably biggest fan, I had to place an order, and it has finally made its way here to the US. Now, if you guys watched her video about her plant shop, she was shipping without sanitary documentation, so it was always a question of whether the plants would even make it. Now this box does have some weight to it, so I think that there are plants inside, and I'm so excited. So excited! Let's open this bad boy up. So it looks like she did a pretty good job in here getting everything nice and tight. So before we even get here, I did not get one of those Monstera Borsigiana cuttings. Those went so fast, and I was trying to get one, but y'all was out here moving so fast, the sister couldn't get it. So I got two other plants. Let's see. Wow, they're so much bigger than I thought. This is a Forgetii white stripe. This was C. Yeah. Let's open it up. I mean, I already know it's gonna look good because it's Kaylee Ellen. I mean, what are we saying? And here we are, two leaves. Now they are a little yellow, or brown, I'm sorry. Slight yellowing and browning. That could just be from shipping. I don't remember exactly how long these have been in the mail. I'll put it on the screen. But they did come all the way from the UK. But yes, this is an Alocasia Forgetii white stripe. Ooh. Okay, I got two plants. So that's one. The other one, so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is a Monstera Radicans. Monstera Radicans. I didn't even know this was a thing until Kaylee told me it was. Look at that. Now that looks pretty good, but Monsteras tend to be pretty hardy when shipping because they are low light tolerant and kind of drought tolerant. So it looks like everything is packed in just moss and is a little moist, not dripping wet, but moist. This one did have some moisture on the leaves as I pulled it out. This one's even got a node and aerial roots. Wow, that's an impressive plant. Thanks, Kaylee Ellen. I'll open them up and let's look at the roots a little bit more closely. So the roots look pretty good. This one was not shipped in moss. This is the Monstera Radicans. This one was in dirt, but the roots look pretty okay. There's nothing that signals rot. It's a really extensive root system, but the main roots, which is what we're mostly worried about, look pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty healthy. Nothing is black, nothing is mushy. They're pretty firm. Oh no, that one is a little mushy. I might cut, oh yeah, and that just came right off. Okay, so a couple of mushy parts, but for the most part, I would say that this guy was pretty okay. I think he'll be just fine once I get him into some soil. So the Alocasia was just wrapped in moss, and it's mildly damp, not super wet. But this guy is putting out new roots here already. Look at that. Or is that a flower sprout? I don't know what that is. I think that's roots. But the roots look pretty okay. There's really no blackening. Everything is really nice, white, plump, not mushy. Like everything's pretty firm. So I also think this one should do pretty okay, and I'm sure he's glad to be out of the packaging. I called this an Alocasia like 12,000 times, and it's an Aetherium, and I know that. It is an Anthurium, and a very cool Anthurium at that. It reminds me a lot of the Clarinervium because it has that really bright stripes, which is why it's called a white stripe. But I am really happy for this plant. It needs a little extra humidity like most other Anthuriums, but that's okay because I've got a nice indirect sunny spot right near the humidifier waiting for it, so can't wait to watch it grow. This Monstera has now got me on a real Monstera kick. Like, I now want them all. I didn't even know that this plant was a thing, but look at it, it is so cool. And I like Monsteras because they are hardy, as we have discussed before. They are drought tolerant, they are low light tolerant, and so they make for really good plants to receive in the mail. So I am really, really in love with this guy. So I'm really excited to have both of these plants added to my collection. Kaylee Ellen is planning on restocking her site, and I will probably get more, and I will of course share with you guys what I get in that one as well. But for now, I'm really happy. I'll keep you guys updated in a houseplant tour of how they're doing, but yeah, I'm really excited. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.